Making profits in the cryptocurrency space comes in different shapes, and if you are not hanging on to the right one, you might be missing the chance to make huge profit. Trading is getting more decisive to how you build a portfolio or even make enough at a short possible time to cash out. Profitable traders take action as soon as they see opportunities. This does not depend if the market is bullish or bearish. This means you can make money off the conditions of the present market, but you have to know when option or step is the right to follow. If you are ready to take your trading game to the next level, buckle up, because today we're diving into the high-octane world of Bybit's derivative trading. This isn't your average buy and hold strategy. We're talking about amplifying your profits, and yes, even minimizing losses, with some serious tools. I will be talking about Bybit derivatives. Let me break it down in basic terms. Imagine a world where you can magnify your potential gains on Bitcoin's price movements, even if the price goes down. That's the magic of derivative trading. It's like using a financial telescope. You can leverage smaller investments to potentially see much bigger returns. You got that right. Derivative trading can be risky, but it's also incredibly rewarding if done strategically. Think of it like riding a powerful motorcycle, exhilarating, but requires skill and caution. So, how do you benefit from Bybit's derivative trading? Bybit offers a user-friendly platform specifically designed for derivative trading. Here's what makes it awesome. If you think Bitcoin's price is about to skyrocket, go long. Convinced it's heading south? Short it. Bybit lets you capitalize on both up and down trends. Would you line high leverage when you trade? Bybit offers some of the highest leverage options in the market, meaning you can control a much larger position with a smaller investment. Remember, high leverage equals high risk, so use it wisely. Another feature that can boost your trade is low fees. Bybit keeps their fees super competitive, so you can keep more of your hard-earned profits. Let's talk about how Bybit's derivative trading works. We won't get into the nitty-gritty details here. You can join my Telegram channel to benefit with the tutorials about this and also enjoy trading signals, but think of it like making a contract on the future price of a cryptocurrency. You can place bets on whether it goes up or down, potentially multiplying your gains. When you are ready to test your skills, you can join the Bybit Trading Challenge. I will leave a link to my referral code in the description. When you use the link, you will get $100 trading bonus to help you with your journey. Take advantage of the Bybit Epic Trading Challenge with awesome prizes. It's the perfect way to practice your derivative trading skills in a low-risk environment. If you really want to get a head start, sign up today for Bybit using my referral link in the description below. You'll get a sweet $100 bonus to kickstart your trading journey. Join my Telegram channel for exclusive trading tutorials, signals, and a community of crypto enthusiasts ready to help you win. So, are you ready to unleash the power of derivative trading on Bybit? Remember, always do your own research and manage your risk. With the right knowledge and Bybit as your platform, the sky's the limit. Let's go make some serious crypto gains. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video, keep mining.